Hi there techies. Welcome back to the channel where we discuss devices that make your daily life more interesting. Today I'm holding the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, a smartphone that's causing quite a stir in the market. The Galaxy S24 FE seems sturdy and fashionable right out of the package. Samsung has adhered to its minimalist and streamlined design philosophy for increased durability. The phone has Gorilla Glass on the front and a strong metal frame. The back's matte texture feels high-end and keeps fingerprints at bay, making it ideal for daily usage. What about those color choices? Samsung is skilled at creating phones that draw attention, whether they are graphite black or lavender purple. The 6.4-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display on the Galaxy S24 FE produces breathtaking images with full HD resolution. The colors pop and the 120Hz refresh rate guarantees buttery smooth scrolling and animations. Whether you're playing games or binge watching your favorite Netflix series, both movie lovers and gamers will love this phone's ability to handle vivid material with HDR10 support. The Exynos 2400 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, depending on the market, powers the S24 FE's internal components, providing dependable and fluid performance for everyday usage, multitasking, and gaming. You will have all the speed and space you require with up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. You can get through the day on a single charge thanks to the 4500 mAh battery, and you can quickly resume using it thanks to 25W fast charging. Charging wirelessly? It's all here? Of course. Now let's discuss the cameras. The S24 FE is a powerful tool for photographers. A 50MP primary sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and an 8MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom make up the triple camera configuration. Photographs, even in low light, are crisp, colorful, and detailed. Your selfies will always look Instagram perfect thanks to the 10MP selfie camera's AI improvements for realistic skin tones and background blur. Indeed, it records 4K footage with remarkable stability, ensuring that your vlogs or family memories are captured in stunning detail. So, is it worthwhile to get the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE? Of course, it offers flagship level features at a fraction of the price, striking the ideal balance between performance and price. We appreciate you viewing this review. For more in-depth explorations of the world of electronics, please hit the like button and subscribe if you liked it. Tell me in the comments below which Galaxy S24 FE feature you like best. Keep being amazing, stay in touch, and I'll see you at the next one.